pooper in Virginia right by.
True Roger there, great big party pooper there, man. Well, you be doing your thing, man. You showing up with fine style there, man. I just thought I'd get in there and say g'day, the good old Australian way. Well, you'd be making a whole bunch of noise in my duck plucking Australian radio. Alright there, party pooper. Your worldwide Black Diamond just got down. Wish you swell right back to you there, man. Wish you well, wish you swell back to you on your end. Alright there, the party pooper there, man. The party pooper. Your Black Diamond, worldwide diamond that he's just got down.
Big party pooper, Victoria, Virginia. God bless.
There'd be a party pooper duck plugger Roger there, man. There'd be a party pooper Roger. Sole control of this radio right here, right now, bray bray.
Pooper's my brother. When I'm watching the game, I just got I can teach. Commercial way. You ain't about to play Bill, bray.
Triple seven, I hear you there, 777, you're doing your thing also, 777, Black Diamond, gone.
Yeah, but I'm gonna go listen to the 10 o'clock news. Nah, Bill. I'm gonna let it go. Cause it ain't nothing but TKO. I'll see you, bye.
John Deere, you said you're gonna let her go there, man, but you're still holding up on your own. Hey, John Deere, you're still holding up on your own. Black Diamond down under. Cheers, mate.
Nah, Tom Powers in the rail. Switchblade, we'll play 6, bye. Man, Black Diamond, I'm out of Black Diamond, 777 mini grass, aloha.
Yeah, 777 in the mini grass, man. I'm not even looking mini grass, but you're coming in there A-OK there, man. You're coming in there A-OK. 777 mini grass, Black Diamond down under. G'day, mate.
Bye.